Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. So welcome to my bathroom, first of all. So this video is going to be a really relaxed natural hair update. I chose to trim my hair every 4 months. So the last trim was, I believe, in January. So the next one was supposed to be in April. Well, yeah, I've skipped that, and it's now August, so it's long overdue. So I want to trim my hair. So first I'm going to silk press my hair. Now I already have 2 silk press videos, so I'll list them down below. If you're interested, you can watch how I silk press my hair. You know, still leveled, but as you can see, there's still some layers, so I have to correct that as well. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Sorry the other footage cut off, but so I am back and my silk press came out so flowy. Do you see this? Super flowy. I feel like my hair is slightly thicker. I don't know. I think it's because I left my hair alone for a while and I didn't manipulate it. But yeah, as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. Like, look at that. The longest piece is like, it reaches my shoulders, obviously. The shortest piece is like just below my chin. So there's still a gap, but it's okay. This is the texture. Honestly, it just feels super light. So I'm just gonna do the other side and come back because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so even though I'm going to link my silk press routine down below, I'm just gonna let you know that basically I use the Design Essentials products. So I use these 2 products, the bamboo and silk, this one. And then I use the Silk Essentials by Design Essentials. These 2 are basically the magic. Hey guys, so I just finished silk pressing my hair. It is completely done. And my hair is looking super healthy and I'm loving it. See this? Super healthy. And since I last cut my hair, it's grown so much. Let's see if it's even, because sometimes I feel like this side is like slightly shorter or something. It's okay. So I haven't trimmed my hair yet and I'm about to do it. But before that, I just want to admire my hair. You see how like it's not too layered, I don't think. But this is how my hair is looking so far. Rubber band method. I'm going to comb all my hair. Okay, so there's no knots or anything. And then I'm going to put my hair in a very tight low ponytail. I don't know if you guys can see, but and I'm gonna find the shortest piece, and I think it's this one. This one is pretty short. So you see this piece and this bundle? I'm gonna cut this bundle using this guide. So I'm gonna cut about, it's this long, so I'm gonna cut about, oh my goodness, this much. And this is like, wow, it's a good inch. Okay. I wanna cry. Do you see this? This is like 1.5 inches. So this is how my hair looks now. I'm just gonna remove it. Do you see this? Jeez. This is what it's looking right now. It's fine. This will be the last time I level my hair for the year because this is a lot. This is like an inch, like more than an inch, and it takes me like what, I would say like 4 months and a half to grow my hair this long. So I mean, I can't be doing that every 4 months. It just doesn't make any sense. In January 1st, I'm going to trim my hair, but I won't be leveling my hair. I'll wait till next year April to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.